what's up, guys? I'm over here in Oklahoma City. Just went through Amarillo, and it's pretty much been 34 degrees the whole time, but it's been icing up pretty bad. So I wanted to show you guys what my truck and trailer looks like right now. Hold on one second. Check this out. Everything, mirrors all iced up. All this is iced up. My whole grill, the whole top of my truck. Look at my antennas. All ice. It's still coming down pretty hard. But yeah, you can just see it. Just ice everywhere. This is all ice. Ice all the way down the side of my trailer. Just all ice all the way down. Yeah, that's a lot of ice right there. But they don't have any parking spots for me. I'm over here at Associated Grocers, so I basically have to drop this trailer. I gotta hook up to another trailer, pull it out, then hook up back to this trailer, pull it in the other spot. Yeah, that is a lot of freaking ice. See this grass? Yeah, even the grass is crunchy. Yeah, it ain't even really that cold though. It's 34, but it's just ice everywhere. The road's been pretty wet. See up there on my antennas, all of that. Ice on the mirrors. Yeah, a full walk around on my vehicle. So. All right, guys, peace.